Hello, everyone. My name is Bruhad Buch, and I have been associated with Bringle Academy as a mentor for design thinking. I am running a certificate course with Bringle Academy for quite some time now, and this is to tell you that the platform that Bringle Academy provides is brilliant. If you are a person who knows LMSs, this is an absolute cakewalk. Even if you don't know how an LMS functions, it will take you maximum 30 minutes to go through the entire platform and then navigate through it in a way that you can launch your own courses and interact with people through the platform very beautifully. Bringle Academy has done a fantastic job by getting this platform, and I urge everyone to at least explore this platform once before you do not consider this particular platform, because I have had fun interacting with my participants through this platform. And the best part about this is the team at the back end is absolutely responsive. So immediately in 24 hours they respond to you and solve your problems, if at all there are any, because I don't see any problem at this point in time. So I think it's a fantastic job done by Bringle, and Anshav, you're doing a great job with that. So thank you very much, and do check it out.